Good day everyone. Today we are going to discuss an understanding in the different elements. As we all know, different elements are shown in the periodic table of elements. It was created by a Russian chemist Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev. Properties of an element are sometimes classified as either chemical or physical. Chemical properties are usually observed in the course of a chemical reaction, while physical properties are observed by examining a sample of a pure element.
The elements are sometimes grouped according to their properties. One major classification of the elements is as metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. Elements with very similar chemical properties are often referred to as families. Some families of elements include the halogens, the inert gases, and the alkali metals. The elements that we're going to present first are the metals. First is the sodium. Sodium was discovered in 1807 by Humphrey Davy. Sodium is a soft metal that tarnishes within seconds of being exposed to the air. It also reacts vigorously with water. Sodium is essential to all living things, and humans have known this since prehistoric times. Our bodies contain about 100 grams, but we are constantly losing sodium in different ways, so we need to replace it. Sodium is used in streetlights to produce yellow light, as well as being a component in many compounds like table salt, soda ash, borax, and baking soda. Second is calcium. Calcium was discovered in 1808 by Humphrey Davy. Calcium is a silver-white, soft metal that tarnishes rapidly in air and reacts with water. Calcium is essential to all living things, particularly for the growth of healthy teeth and bones. Calcium phosphate is the main component of bone. Calcium metal is used as a reducing agent in preparing other metals such as thorium and uranium. It is also used as an alloying agent for aluminum, beryllium, copper, lead, and magnesium alloy. Cobalt was discovered in 1739 by George Brand. It is a hard metal and is magnetic. It is an important source of gamma rays. It is widely used in cancer treatment as a tracer and for radiotherapy. Cobalt, like iron, can be magnetized and so is used to make magnets. It is alloyed with aluminum and nickel to make particularly powerful magnets.
Let's now proceed to nonmetal elements. First is the oxygen. Oxygen was discovered in 1774 by Joseph Priestley. Oxygen is a colorless and odorless gas. It is the most important element in human survival. Pure oxygen is used to treat breathing problems and make spacecraft livable. Oxygen in industry is mainly used in the manufacturing of steels and other metal alloys. The second one is helium. Helium was discovered in 1895 by Sir William Ramsay. Helium is an inert gas and the second lightest element. It is non-toxic. Helium gas is commonly known to be lighter than air, which leads to its use in weather and party balloons. It is also used as an inert shield for arc welding and to pressurize liquid fuel tanks in rockets. And as for the last set of elements, it is all metalloids. The first one is the boron. It was discovered in 1808 by Louis Joseph Gay-Lussac and Louis Jacques Thenard. It is a hard black solid. Boron is essential for the cell walls of the plants. It is not considered poisonous to animals, but in higher doses, it can upset the body's metabolism. Boron is used in pyrotechnics. You can find boron in antiseptics, washing chemicals, ceramic glazes, and eye drops.
Silicon was discovered in 1824 by Johannes Jacob Berzelius. It is an element when ultra-pure is a solid with a blue-gray metallic sheen. Silicon is essential to plant life, but its use in animal cells is uncertain. Silicon is used extensively in the semiconductor industry and solid-state electronics. Arsenic was discovered in approximately 1250 by Albertus Magnus. It is a brittle metalloid. Some scientists think that arsenic may be an essential element in our diet in very, very low doses. This element is used as a doping agent in transistors, primarily with gallium. Many arsenic compounds are used as insecticides and poisons.